Okay, now let's start with the second type of messages of ICMP, which takes care of is called as the ICMP query messages. So we all know query is nothing but we are going to request for something, put forward a question regarding any of the issues or ongoing work in the network. So likewise, this query messages in ICMP has been taken in four ways. First one is echo request and reply, timestamp request and reply, address mask request and reply, router solicitation and advertisement. So if we look on all these four query messages, somewhere it is being requested and which is being replied with some other system. So here every messages, whether it is a request or reply, it has its own type information with the numbers respectively for it. So type 8 and 0 is assigned for echo request and reply messages. Similarly 13 and 14 are assigned for timestamp request and reply. 17 and 18 for address mask request and reply, and type 10 and 9 is given for router solicitation and advertisement information. So whenever there is a particular message to be conveyed, so that is called as echo request. Whatever we are giving, the same information will be sent back to the source who has been sent. So that is called as the echo request and reply. And timestamp request and reply messages, it will ask for the transaction or any of the timing information which is highly needed for determining which packet to be transmitted over into the network, the time at which it has been sent, and at what time it has been received. So all those informations will be given by as a timestamp request and reply messages. Similarly, to identify the address of a particular system IP address, we need the subnet mask of it. This subnet mask or the address mask can be also requested and responded. And coming on to this encapsulation of ICMP query messages, already we have this ICMP packet which is ready with the error reporting messages and the query messages. Now put all together, now this becomes an IP packet. So this IP packet is now attached with the header information of IPv4 or v6, and it is now transmitted over to the network. Now we'll see about the version 6 which came above the version 4. So far IPv4 is concerned, it is working with the ICMP version 4, but still we have the higher version of this ICMP which works together with the IP version 6. So this version 6 has lot of updations with the error reporting messages and also with the query messages. So diagrammatically it is given with, when it is working in the network layer with version 4, it works along with the IGMP, ARP and RARP protocols put together, and in version 6 network layer we are having the functionalities with IPv6 and ICMP v6. And now the last one, we are providing the comparison of the type of messages which is available in version 4 and version 6. So comparatively if we see, the destination unreachable and time exceeded, parameter problem, redirection concept has been available in both version 4 and version 6, but still the source quench is not available in version 6 and packet too big, and this is supported only by the version 6 and not by version 4. And similarly for the query messages, in the version 6 we don't have the timestamp request and reply and address mask request and reply. Instead it supports for the group membership, because this group membership was separately supported by the IGMP protocol. As I said before, it is for internet group management protocol, but this is not supported by the ICMP explicitly. It is done separately by the IGMP protocol. In ICMP v6 it is supported implicitly in the same protocol, and along with that neighbor solicitation and advisement has been covered by the ARP separately, address resolution protocol. and in ICMP version 6 it supports inbuilt. So these are the some changes which was taken in the ICMP version 6 comparatively with the version 4. So this is a snapshot of how an ICMP information is being transmitted, how many bytes of data is transmitted from where the IP address, and what is the sequence of this ICMP packet, sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, the packet sequence numbers, and it gives additionally how much time it is being taken. So all these informations are being sent. So this is how the ICMP works with the IP version 4 and version 6 to provide the management purposes with error control and query messages. Thank you.